FX MVP, Jose Tormos, and we are broadcasting here in the European session. Current trading opportunity that we are going to be placing as an analyst alert is here on the Euro USD 60-minute time frame. We have seen the market first and foremost go on a 240-minute chart here with a King's Crown formation. We have a big left tip, a big center tip, and a big right tip, beautiful morning star entry. And we are currently making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and here we've pulled back to form a counter trend line break, higher low. And upon the pullback counter trend line break, to look to go long towards the D extension of 125.05, what we've done is we've broken down to the 60-minute time frame. And on the 60-minute time frame, what you see here is based off the pullback, we have found a bull King's Crown formation that has appeared. And as you can see, what are the parameters of the King's Crown? Let me go ahead and review them here very quickly. They are, as you can see, the trend line breaking, step number 1. Step number 2, the market took out the past level of resistance to create a new high, hence our AB swing of 122.40 is the crown A, 123.15 is the crown B. Step number 3 would be to identify the left tip, which we see here, and then the center tip, and now the market has formed a right tip morning star here, which becomes the C pullback. D extension is set at 123.62 here. So it is a left tip, center tip, right tip King's Crown. What I've done is this market formed this morning star here, as you can see yesterday, and this morning here in the European session, it is currently testing that price, and around that entry point is where we wanted to jump in. So you can see the closing price was 122.86. The market is now fluctuating between 122.89 and 122.92. I've gone ahead and placed an analyst alert here for the Euro USD to buy the King's Crown, entry order of 122.92, which is right here. To buy the crown. By RT stands for right tip of crown. I'll just go ahead and spell it out. By the right tip. And then the stop loss is going to go at the A of the crown here, which is at 122.40. And then the D extension to this trade is going to go at the 1.618 at 123.62. And that's the limit. Now, a couple notes about this trade is what's the risk versus reward. If we take out our trusty calculator, you can see here that from the entry point of 122.92, we subtract the stop loss of 122.40, and that gives us a 52 pip risk. So the trade is going to be a risk of 52 pips, which is a nice little bit of equity management there compared to the gain that we're going for, which is at 123.62, the limit. Subtract that from the entry of 122.92. That's a 70 pip gain we're going after. And so either way, if we exit exactly at the D extension, we can make 70 pips on the trade. If we exit 10 pips before, which is going to be at a price point of 123.52, which I will place a chart alarm there to let me know, I have the option of exiting 10 pips before that D extension to be conservative, and that would be a 60 pip gain, still risking less than what we're going after here on this Euro USD 60-minute time frame swing. Now, just to show you that I have placed a trade as well on the account here, you can see the open position here at the moment is to buy the euro dollar. I got taken in here at 122.96. So the alert went out here, as you can see, at 122.94. So I got taken in 2 pips above what I really wanted to go in on, but that's because of the spread and because of the timing of placing your trades, obviously. So I'm currently down 7.3 pips right now as I entered in here at 4:40 in the morning. The alert went out at 4:41. So what we'll do is we'll come back and we'll do another short video recap on this trade to see how it ended up. Whether it takes a couple of hours to fulfill, a couple of days to fulfill, we'll find out. But it looks like it's pretty decent risk versus reward. And all the best to all of you who are trading out there on the Euro USD currency pair, as I have gone long on the trade once again on a 60-minute time frame King's Crown formation. Thanks. We'll check back here in just a few on this Euro USD 60-minute crown. This is FX MVP. Alright everybody, once again this is FX MVP Jose Tormos, and we are now reviewing the after effect, or the result I should say, of the Euro US dollar 60-minute time frame trade that I had placed earlier this morning. Earlier we did a little video on why I took the trade opportunity in the first place. Now I'm going to do a short video on why I'm out of the trade. As you can see, the market nicely rallied to the north over 1, 2, 3 hours of straight bullish movement from that Morningstar entry that we placed here at 122.94, which was our buy entry. The up ABCD swing has not yet completed, but the market has come to within a few pips of that 123.62 target. Came up to around 123.58, so it came within 4 pips. Now, as a conservative approach, 10 pips before that D extension, we would have exited out of this trade, but what we've done is to take advantage of the market before the market takes advantage of us. Our original stop loss, or my original stop loss of 122.40, risking 52 pips from entry, I canceled, replaced it to lock in 3/4 of the trade at 123.44, which therefore locked in 50 pips for the day, 20 pips shy of the D extension. So this market can continue to hit that D, but I am out of the trade here with 50 pips locked in and loaded and closed out. Here's the alert that has been closed out. It says that the analyst alert here, the trade had been completed. Stop order at 23.44 has been executed because I canceled and replaced the stop loss. And the trade has completed at 8:10 a.m. this morning. Just to show you, 50 pips was locked in via the alert that's sent out. Here is the result on the trading platform as well. As you can see, the market here went 47 pips and went ahead and closed out with 47 pips. It stopped us out of the trade because the stop loss was placed at 123.44. And as you can see, with a alert going out in a platform, there's a difference of a few pips with an entry here because of the currency spread and the time it takes to enter the trade and so on. So 50 pips locked in, 47 pips is what the market took us out with in the demo account there. So a great trade setup there has appeared for the Euro USD. That is the bull crown up A, B, C to D wave movement. And this has been the Euro USD 60-minute time frame trade opportunity result, which has resulted this morning in potentially 70 pips still can be made for those of you that still may be in. But as far as the trade result that I have placed this morning, we have been stopped out at the canceled and replaced stop loss price of 123.44, which is locked in 50 pips. So join me again next time for the trading opportunity here with FX MVP in the European trading session. Thanks everybody.